Tiny homes and apartments offer plenty of charm, but they tend to have limited kitchen space. Luckily, there are a lot of small kitchen design ideas that maximize storage efficiency. VERLE Kitchen. The VERLE Kitchen offers one of the most clever and space-saving ideas for small kitchens with its functional solutions. For example, these drawers close quietly and smoothly, increasing the quality of the kitchen furniture. Also, this pull-out shelves cabinet makes everything accessible without extensive searching. In addition to this, practical tablet holder protects the device against splashes and facilitates electronic cookbook use. Helle Kitchen. This modern kitchen offers a lot of useful and functional features. One of them is the iMove system that allows you to access the highest shelves in the kitchen without trouble. The servo drive wall unit allows opening cabinets even if your hands are busy. The kitchen has integrated LED lighting, which is the talk of the town in the modern kitchen. And the best part of this fantastic kitchen is the countertop comes integrated with a showcase space for your kitchen utensils, along with drawers for both sides. In addition, there is a magic corner cabinet, which is a smart solution that allows easy access to stuff you store in blind corners under the kitchen counter. Under the sink, there is pull-out storage for detergents and sponges, along with a pull-out bin to keep your kitchen clean. The kitchen comes with a dishwasher and Eveline socket above the worktop. V-Motion Kitchen. This smart kitchen has an activated system that takes every experience in the kitchen to the next level. This system allows an easy control over everything in the kitchen. With a graceful movement of your hand, the door opens, the tap turns, and the lights are on instantly, creating a truly unique atmosphere. Oppein Home Group. This hidden storage lift system offers an innovative way to hide something at the touch of a button, creating endless, charming hidden storage solutions. Zortaş Designs. This Turkish brand has combined the elegancy and functionality that every kitchen should have. It offers a ton of creative and space-saving ideas for small kitchens. Zoya-Trend Line-Meble Bogart. The Zoya kitchen furniture collection will perfectly match a modern, spacious interior. A wide selection of cabinets will allow you to complete the functional kitchen furniture. The kitchen comes with subtle handles and fronts made of 19mm thick foiled MDF boards, while the body is made of a 16mm white laminated board. "5PD Pull-Down Shelf." The 5PD pull-down shelf is an ideal solution to accessing hard-to-reach items in your wall cabinets. The shelves can be pulled down to bring things from the cabinet. This ingenious accessory is easy to handle and holds up to 26 pounds. Also, this universal pull-down is a readily adaptable system ideal for extra storage like spices, medicines, and more. Nobilia Kitchen. Nobilia has a new perspective for kitchens with its tailor-made solutions for every corner in your kitchen. It offers intelligent and incredibly versatile storage solutions and smart features that will inspire you.